Bienvenue à Paris.
France has so much to offer that it can be difficult to decide what to include in a 10-day itinerary. However, here are some must-see destinations that could make for an amazing trip. Paris. Start your trip with a few days in the City of Light. Visit iconic landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame Cathedral, which is currently under restoration, the Louvre Museum, the Champs-Élysées, and the Palace of Versailles. Provence. Head south to explore the charming countryside of Provence, with its lavender fields, vineyards, and quaint hilltop villages. Don't miss the historic city of Avignon, the Pont du Gard aqueduct, and the stunning Gorges du Verdon. French Riviera. Continue your journey along the coast to the French Riviera, also known as the Côte d'Azur. Explore the glamorous city of Cannes, the picturesque town of Antibes, and the vibrant city of Nice. Bordeaux. Head west to the wine region of Bordeaux. Take a tour of the vineyards, taste some of the best wines in the world, and visit the charming city of Bordeaux with its impressive 18th century architecture. Mont Saint-Michel. Finally, head north to visit the famous Mont Saint-Michel, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of France's most iconic landmarks. This medieval abbey is located on a small island off the coast of Normandy. These are just a few of the many incredible destinations to visit in France. Depending on your interests, you might also consider adding destinations such as the Loire Valley, the Dordogne, or the Alsace region to your itinerary. Where to eat French cuisine? Paris is famous for its culinary scene, and there are plenty of options to enjoy traditional French cuisine in the city. Here are some suggestions for where to eat French cuisine in Paris. Le Jules Verne. Located on the second floor of the Eiffel Tower, this Michelin-starred restaurant offers breathtaking views of Paris while you dine on classic French cuisine. Le Comptoir du Relais. This popular bistro in the Saint-Germain-des-Prés neighborhood offers a cozy atmosphere and a menu filled with traditional French dishes such as escargots, steak frites, and coq au vin. Atelier de Joël Robuchon. This acclaimed restaurant from the famous chef Joel Robuchon offers a contemporary twist on French cuisine with its tasting menu of small plates, including foie gras, scallops, and truffle mashed potatoes. Bistro Paul Bert. This classic Parisian bistro in the 11th arrondissement serves up hearty dishes such as duck confit, steak tartare, and roasted bone marrow, all accompanied by a selection of French wines. Le Train Bleu. This restaurant inside the Gare de Lyon train station offers an opulent setting with its ornate decor and classic French cuisine, including dishes like escargots, duck breast, and crème brûlée. These are just a few options for where to enjoy French cuisine in Paris. Keep in mind that reservations are often recommended for popular restaurants and that prices can vary widely depending on the restaurant's level of formality and prestige.
Bienvenue à Paris.